Welcome back to frontloadbearings.com. Actually, I'm going to show you a little bit more here. On the last video I said I was going to get the whole thing reassembled before I showed you, but I want to show you a couple of things here. Firstly, clean your shaft up on your basket. If you have a Whirlpool machine and you find that your spider is corroded, just about in every instance you have a lifetime warranty on that from Whirlpool. And on my website, if you just ask me for tech help on there, I can send you a PDF of the warranty for your machine. Make sure you send me your model number as well. And I've had lots of customers now be able to call the Whirlpool warranty line, and Whirlpool have shipped them a whole basket, spider and shaft all in one, and in a lot of cases they haven't even had to pay for the shipping. Now, as far as I know, that is only on the Whirlpool line, so you're going to need a Whirlpool model number for that. So alright, so this is all cleaned up. All we're going to do now, really easy, is just put the basket back in, and let's go in gently so we don't hit the side of the seal, as best we can. Perfect fit, gorgeous. Alright, then the next thing we're going to do, once we've got that in place, is just put the front on. And I'm not going to do that on video because I need to get all the way around it, and if you have anyone to help you at this point, you can do it on your own just fine. But if you have someone to help you, with the weights on, they're pretty heavy, it's just easier to line it up with someone to help you. In the next part I will show you how to get the clips on and the pulley, as I promised in the last video. Thanks so much. Cheers.